Hi everyone. Well, a few weeks ago you were sent out some sunflower seeds to grow in a pot. I hope that they're really growing nice and strong now. So this is mine, this is the one I put in. Yours might not be this big yet, or it might be a little bit bigger, but I don't want you to worry about that. So the next step is to pot it on into a larger pot. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Wait till it's a little bit bigger before you do that. So you get your pot and don't be scared. Put your fingers over the top, put the plant in between your fingers, turn it over and give 3 little taps. And it should come out in your hand. And you'll see all the roots there, look, so that shows it's a healthy plant. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the next size pot up, which is this one. We're going to put some nice fresh compost into the bottom and place your sunflower into the centre and very carefully hold it at the top and sprinkle round your fresh compost and then really gently use those 2 fingers again and press it down. Give it a press and then you know what it needs, don't you? A little drink of water. Now you can keep this wherever you've got it, if it's on your windowsill, for another couple of weeks before you make sure the frosts have gone. And then when it's established in the pot, you can either put it in your garden or you can put it in a much larger pot with a stake and it will grow nice and big and tall. So don't forget to look after your sunflower. Bye!